Sports Plus, and then gearbox into manual, and then foot hard on the brakes, and then we now gotta wait for the traffic lights and hope it works. Okay, let's go. It's insane, it just didn't go anywhere. We are back in Joburg, and now it's not a morning, so we don't have that harsh lights, you know, just messing up the footage with all those bright spots. But it's the weekend, it's Sunday, and I need to get something from Maboneng, so thought I should take you guys with me. Now I'm in Braam. You should know this spot by now. This is Braam, and up ahead is the Mandela Bridge. So today is not like the other videos, so it's a bit busier because, you know, it's Sunday and it's middle of the day. So Sundays are busy because, you know, there are markets in Joburg. I'm not sure if we still got markets and shit around here, like the neighbor goods markets, but it was usually on Sunday. So I'm just gonna head to that spot to check it out. Yeah, man, Joburg, you know, there's always a lot happening. That's why it's people have, you know, like mixed feelings about the city, because, you know, it's a vibe. It's a vibe, but at the same time it's a bit shady, if I can call it that. It's a bit I mean, some sections are not so bad, but you have some places that are crazy. Braam is not bad. Braam is chill. I like Braam. Used to spend a lot of time, yeah. And I like Braam for, you know, for not the reasons that you are thinking of, because that's what Braam is famous for. I like it because it's a vibey spot. It's chill. You know. So let's turn here. Let's see if this market is still, you know, if the market is still there before we head to Maboneng. Well, that's a good view of the Mandela Bridge. We're actually gonna be passing there when we go to Mabo. So yeah, so this is Braam. This building right here is Kitchener's. It used to be like a spot for, you know, like house music and that type of shandies. They recently closed, so not sure what it is now, but it's no longer the Kitchener's that we know. And then this side used to have the neighbor goods markets. Now is the playground. I've been here once. It's not the same vibe as the neighbor goods market. It's chill though, you know, it's chill, just not the same thing. Oh, the po-pos. Thought they were giving me the look, but they're not looking at me. So Mandela Bridge, sure many of you all know it, but yeah, this is the famous Mandela Bridge if you've never been to it, or if you've never been to Joburg. And then now when you drive on top of it, you have a nice scenic view of the city. Braam this side, Hillbrow somewhere there, and there you got Newtown, and then where you have the tall buildings and stuff, I think it's like Marshalltown. Could be wrong, I'm not like a Joburg expert, but I think that's Marshalltown. And then where you see all these taxis, this is Bree. You know, this is where you gotta be like you gotta be awake to drive here. And the roads around Bree are extremely messed up, so it's always good to, you know, like pay close attention. See this guy just that's Bree. You got the popos, you got niggas just running, dog. Like snap. So this is like the busy side of town. So I mean, Hillbrow, it's a taxi rank, you're just gonna have a million people, but there's also just a lot happening. And then there where the road is closed, that's where like there were gas explosions and stuff a while back. So obviously they're gonna take a million years to fix it, so we're just gonna turn here because we can't drive there anyway. Bro, this shit is rattling. Why? Let's go this side. Man, traffic lights are never working in South Africa. And it's not like we got load shedding or anything. I mean, when there was load shedding, they had that excuse, but now, and there's been power for months, and you know, the traffic lights are still messed up. So, me, I don't know, bro. Like, all of them are not working. Let's go this side. Looks like most of the stores are closed. I mean, it's 5 p.m, so it makes sense. So I'm guessing if I came here a bit earlier, it was gonna be more busy. But there's Carlton Center. And then this street here is the famous small street. It's even closed. Didn't know it. Like, it closes. It's like a small door open. But yeah. See, they don't even want to stop. Okay, now we gotta drive here. Man, this section is so dirty, bro. Shit. Oh, that's an M2. It's like a diamond in the rough. It's a blacked out M2. You should pull through and you can run the city. What's happening here, bro? Jeez. Then right here we got Maboneng. Let's go check it out. Like, come spend money. So this place used to be Shakers. Wonder what it is now. We can go comfort. Man, Maboneng is always live, bro. Nice play, nice posy. It's always a lot happening, so I'm not a big fan of driving here because such a narrow road, and then you have like cars reversing, like this big pickup here, and it's not even reversing, it's just parked. But it's a nice spot, you know, to come and chill. It's not like it's very safe. It's not like the other parts of Joburg where we're coming from. It's a bit like Braam but better. And you have like niggas coming from nowhere, just flying. I have many of my boys here. I wonder if I'm gonna see them. But let's see. Let's see. The street. Hey yo, street! Hey! What's up, bro? What's happening? Boy! Come here.
What you say?
Who's this nigga?
What you say?
Nothing, bro. This. It's a Kia, bro.
My niggas like, you living the life, man.
Been a minute. What are you all up to,
I
bro?
don't even see your Instagram popping anymore.
Nah, I've been
Alright,
busy,
yeah,
man.
gang, I'm just gonna end the video here because I had a long chat with the boys and I had to get out of the car to collect what I came here to collect anyway. So the video was already too long, and I didn't want like a 30 minutes video, so I'm just gonna end it here. I'm gonna see you all in the next one. Make sure you show some love, subscribe to the channel for future videos. They're definitely coming. Make sure you like the video, you know, so that more people can see it. And yeah, give me suggestions. Do you like the videos? What do you all want to see? Let me know in the comments. Don't be shy, let me know. See you all in the next one.